Did you know that wolves can recognize each other just by their howls? Every howl is unique, like a fingerprint. Their howling sounds can be heard for miles, and through them, other pack members can recognize each other. The leaders of the pack are the alpha male and female. They are dominant over the other wolves in the pack. They are the only ones who reproduce and have pups, and they also eat first. Adult wolves can eat up to 9 kilograms of meat in a single day. On the menu, they prefer large animals like deer, moose, and others. Wolves hunt for food together. The loss of a single wolf from the pack can harm the group's cohesion and even cause the pack to fall apart. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment, and subscribe for more.